Hello everyone, this is Paul from DLT Trading, and today I want to show you our Benchmade Exclusive Griptilian, the 551-1701. Made a couple changes to this knife as compared to the original. Bowler M390 stainless steel, carbon fiber handles, brass barrel spacers with a black oxide deep carry pocket clip. And when we compare this to the original, so this is just the basic 551, comes in black and a variety of colors. Nylon handle weighing in at 3.88 ounces with 154 cm on the blade steel. One of the biggest criticisms of this knife is the really lightweight and almost hollow feeling handle, which I would tend to agree with. I don't personally own the full size, I do own a mini Griptilian, and that's the one thing I noticed out of the gate was kind of how lightweight and not cheap, but just not solid feeling the handle was. So we wanted to do something different with our exclusive. Beef it up a little bit. This does add to the weight. It's 4.19 ounces, but it's good weight. It just feels more solid in the hand. And you can see, I'll try to show you here on the handle. So this, like I said, this is nylon, and it's got real deep cutouts on the inside just to take up less material. It does have stainless liners in it. So does the carbon fiber version, but just not a lot to the handle. So we wanted to come up with something more solid, a lot more luxurious and kind of fitting of doing an exclusive. So we decided on the carbon fiber. Adds a lot to the looks, a lot to the feel. It just feels like a really solid knife, and with the addition of the deep carry pocket clip, it's much easier to carry as opposed to the standard Benchmade clip. It will come in two different versions, somewhat standard. A lot of the Benchmades you'll see 4 different blade variations, the satin black, then the combo edge on each. We did plain edge only in the satin and the black. And for most, or a lot of knives, I don't really like black coated blades, but for this knife, it just adds a lot to the looks in my opinion. So I do prefer the black bladed version for this knife. It just looks really slick. And as always with the Griptilians, it does have the axis lock. Overall, just a great project with Benchmade. This is our first Benchmade exclusive. We've worked on this for quite some time, just doing some fine tuning. Wanted to do something a little bit different with the barrel spacers and coming up with the brass. Just a nice little touch. So we think you guys are really going to enjoy this. These will start at $233.75. So based off of the original, just the basic 551, that is quite a jump in price, but when you compare it to the 551-1, so this is a 20 CV blade, G10 handles, these start at $178.50. You're paying a little bit more for what most people consider a better blade steel in M390 as opposed to the 20 CV, and a nicer handle. Also in a color scheme that the carbon fiber looks a lot nicer than this gray and blue. A lot of people complained about the color on this, so pay a little bit more. Sleeker looking knife, M390 blade steel, and we think you'll definitely enjoy this knife. If you guys have any questions on this, please post in the comments below. We'll be happy to address them. Thank you.